Welcome to all the students. I am Jagam Prasad Behra. Today we will discuss about the CAD CAM lab. In your CAD CAM lab, there was a subject AutoCAD. In the AutoCAD, we can do 2D drawings and 3D drawings. There are many versions of AutoCAD are available. Among them, in this video, I take AutoCAD 2013 version, which is shown in your video with red rectangular box. And different AutoCAD versions can change a bit the layout, but the way of working is very similar. It means if you working on the 2005 version AutoCAD, then it is easy for you to use an AutoCAD 2016 version. It means the AutoCAD is totally depends upon the command, which is similar to the all version of AutoCAD. So let's start the video. If I want to draw a line, I can type line and the line command will be activated. Same as if I type option, the panel of option will be open. So it is very simple. If I put my mouse pointer any of the option, it will show a small box which will appear a brief introduction about the option, which is shown in the video. And the word below is the command name or command. If we put the name in the command bar, this option will be activated. So the name of the commands are same for the all versions. So in this video we have to introduce about the AutoCAD and how it will works. So now I am going to introduce the workspace of the AutoCAD and how can I use the mouse for the workspace. The black screen which will show in your video is the workspace for the drawing. This cross is the mouse pointer and it doesn't need any command to activate the cross. Now see how to work with the mouse. If I scroll up, the mouse will, I can zoom in, and I scroll down, then I can zoom out. To move the workspace, press right key and move any direction or anywhere you want. Same method as Google Map is also used. If you click anywhere on the right button, this will open this panel. Here the several options are be shown. The left button is used for the selection. If I want to select from left to the right, the select area will be appears as blue and the line will be selected. If I just cover the line, then the line will not selected. But if I select from right to the left, the selection area will be green, and if I just touch the line, it will be selected. For deselect the sub object, we can use escape button. Now I wish to teach you about the AutoCAD. I introduce you for how to draw a line. The command for the line is L. This is the most basic tool and it will use most of the times. To draw a line, I can go to the home panel at the top of the screen and click the line icon to activate the line command. The another option, type L and press enter to activate the line command. If you look to command bar, it will show us the command for line is activated. Also the mouse indicator has changed. Now the small square has disappeared. And we can also find the draw tools. There we can activate the command line. And the first point and select the second point anywhere you want to draw the line. Now I can draw the second line from there. or press escape for the deactivate the command. So the line will be created, but in this line there is no specific dimension, and this will not going to the very useful for us. So I will show how to draw a horizontal line with a dimension of 1000. uh, Note a point: if we press enter, then the previous command will be activated in AutoCAD. So now, okay, I click the enter now and I can activate the line command, because the previously we have put line command. Okay, now I click the first point and I'm going to drag the line, and now this is the green line will be appears, and say here polar. This means the line is horizontal. Now I will type 1000 in the command bar and click enter. Now this is the completely horizontal line. When you want to draw the horizontal line, then you can turn on the polar option. The polar option is below to the horizontal line, turn on there. Now if I turn off the polar option, then see how the line will be drawn. Just I click the first point and drag to the mouse pointer towards the right and click the second point. Now I zoom the workspace and see there the line will not the complete horizontal. So for the horizontal line, always turn on polar option. For the orthogonal line, turn on the ortho option, and also polar option turn on. Now type line for the line command and draw a line. Here you see, here you drag any line that will be completely orthogonal or horizontal in vertical. Now I type 100 and then type 200, and then I can draw much more lines as much I want, and I draw again 200 and again 100, and here I can simply close the path by entering C, or I can put the distance between the lines. Now how to draw a line with an angle. Here now simply I can activate the line command and draw a horizontal line with the length 200, and now press tab, and again I put the distance of the line 200, and now the line will be angled, and now anywhere I want I can fill them, and now I put 30 and press enter. Now the line will be set up at 30°. Now how to set up and change the units. Let's start know how to do that. So here, if you want to draw a drawing with the scale of 1:1, then uh, you can the real value is 1 meter, and we can draw here for the 1 centimeter. This is not easier to not get confused, because the scale is only used for the print. Now here you can see the coordinate. This is the x coordinate, and then second is the y coordinate, and third one is z coordinate. Because this is the 2D drawing, so the z coordinate is be 0, and this is called the UCS, user coordinate system. Okay, now let's start how to set up the unit. For the unit setup, the command is un enter. When the unit is activated, the interface will be shown in your screen, and there here you put the correct which is suitable for you, put that for the decimal. And in the precision you can choose anything, how much you want, then that will be chosen. Now the angle you choose anything, I choose decimal. And here any scale you want you can choose. Here I choose the millimeter. All the units are shown there, uh, which you want you can put them. And the AutoCAD is the dimensionless, so you can choose the dimension for the drawing only. If you think the millimeter, the workspace is too narrow, that is not the workspace which you, according to your screen, the workspace can much more bigger, that is not negligible. Okay, then to a large line type Z, enter, and A, enter. If you draw a line, then the command is Z for zoom, A for all. The Z enter and A enter to zoom out the line.